Hello students, welcome to SSD educational classes and I am your instructor Kashish Mehra, and today we are going to study about the difference between unity of command and unity of direction. Let's study about the meaning. Unity of command. Unity of command refer to the principle of management which state that one's incumbent should get order from one report to one boss. It means unity of command shows that there should be one superior or one commander only who control each and everything in the organization. Whereas unity of direction is a management principle which implies that all the activity with the same objective must have one head and one plan. Unity of direction shows that there should be only one head and one plan, and all the subordinates should follow that plan so that we can achieve our organizational goal. A principle of management propounded by Henry Fayol stating that one employee should get order from one report to one boss is the unity of command. This is given as meaning. In the meaning, it shows that this principle of unity of command is given by Henry Fayol, and Henry Fayol state that one employee should get order from only one reporter or one head only. We can say that one boss only. In the contrary, a management principle which implies that all the activity with the same object must lead by one person as a per single plan is the unity of direction. In short, unity of direction says that there should be single plan and the same plan for each and every member of the organization. Unity of command avoids subordination from multiple superiors. On the contrary, unity of direction avoids imbricate of activities. While the main focus of unity of command is the single employee, the focus of unity of command, there is any mistake. While the main focus of the unity of command is the single employee, the focus of the unity of direction is on the entire organization. The doctrine of unity of command lead to the effective functioning of the subordinates. On the other hand, the doctrine of unity of direction result in the coordination of the work of various employees. In short, we can say that unity of direction means when various employees are coordinated for the same plan and for the same directions. So it is known as unity of direction. Unity of command indicate a relationship between superior and subordinate. On the contrary, the unity of direction shows the relationship of the activities as per the organization plan and goal. In short, we can say that unity of command shows the relationship of subordinate superior, how they are giving command and how they are maintaining or following the command. Whereas unity of direction shows that how each plan and goals are activated and each plans and goals are followed by the single direction only. Unity of command is must for an organization in order to fix the responsibility of each subordinate in the pursuit of common goal of the organization. Unlike unity of direction is required for sound organization of activities. In short, we can say that unity of command is showing the each subordinate how they have to work, how they have to follow the order of one person, whereas unity of direction shows that how sound organization and activity can be performed in the organization. So these are the difference between unity of command and unity of direction. Hope you have understood each and everything well. If there is any difficulty, you can comment me in the comment box. Thank you.